in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am making flapjack. It is very versatile. We can eat it in our breakfast. We can take in our pack lunches. It is very healthy option. You can give your child in school lunch box. And so let's start. Let's see what we need for it. For it we need some oat and some coconut, some seeds, butter melted, and some brown sugar, and some cinnamon, and some chopped nuts and raisins, and we need a tray like 7-inch by 10-inch. I'm going to grease it first. We will grease it from all over, from side, from the corners, and all over like that, and we will keep it one side. And my oven is on 200 centigrade. So let's start and making it. Basically we have to just mix all the ingredients together. So first it is our oats will go in our big bowl, and then coconut, and some brown sugar, and melted butter, and some sunflower seeds, some nuts, they are roughly chopped, and some raisins. And after that we will just use some it is golden syrup. And we will mix everything together until they combine very well. So just mix it very nicely. Keep pressing, and then we will add our cinnamon powder. And it mixed very well. Now we can see all the ingredients combined with each other very nice. So now my tray is already greased, so everything will go in my tray. And I will press it with my spatula from all over. Just we have to press it very firm. Okay, now you can see it is very well pressed and very evenly, and it is looking very good. So now in very last thing, just I will sprinkle some nuts here and there, so they will look more beautiful, and some pumpkin seeds, and it is ready to go preheated oven. And I would like to say you whenever you make this and bake, it takes it just 10 minutes and it cook very quickly. So please never ever leave it and go somewhere else. And if you want, just be there all the time. So it is going in my oven now. It is looking fine. Let's open and check. Yes, it is looking wonderful, beautiful, and aroma is so wonderful, I can't explain you. And it looks nice. Mark them all over. And other side in your desired shape and size. And then I will leave it until it is absolutely cool down, and then I will show you how to bring them out. So our flapjack is completely cooled down. So I marked it already. Now I am losing its sides from all over, losing its sides like that, and it is completely cooled down, so it is easy to come out. So for that, what I am doing, a little bigger tray I will take and keep both together and then turn over. So all the flapjack is here, so we can have our nice big pieces. Look at them. So just turn over and then have your nice beautiful pieces. It is most easy way to take out your flapjack. Now it is ready to enjoy. Please enjoy with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel, share and like. And